Hi guys, welcome back to Math with OG. On this section, we'll be looking at conversion from one base to another. We are still in number base. How do you convert from a base to another base which is not base 10? So conversion from base 2 to base 5, from base 8 to base 7, as the case may be. Now, I'll be using these three questions as case studies to explain all what you need to do when you want to convert from a base to another base. Now, you should take note that in conversion from a base to another base, like from 5 to 8, you have to go through base 10. So there's no rule for converting from a base to another base without passing through base 10. But there are few exemptions, by the way. For example, your base 2, base 4, base 8, and base 16. There's a way in which you can go from 2 to 16, from 2 to 8, as the case may be. And I feel, or I know, it also works for 3, 9, 27, as the case may be. So when it's time for that, I will explain how you can convert from 2 to 16, from 2 to 8 without passing through base 10. Now, let's go to the chase. Converting 30112 base 5 to base 8, we have to go through base 10, like I just mentioned. So I can write here, this is 30112. Sorry, 112 in base 5. We have to convert to base 10 first. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this guy here will give us 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 4, plus 0 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 3, plus 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 2, plus 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1, lastly plus 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 0. Now 5 raised to the power of 4, simply 25 raised to the power of 2, which is 625. Now let's multiply 2 by 3. I'm not my calculator, so we have to do this together. 625 times 3, this will give us 15, 5 carry 1, this is 6 plus 1, 7, 3 times 6 is 18. So you have 1875, plus 0 times any number is 0, plus 5 raised to the power of 2, obviously 25, multiplied by 1 will still give you 25. Then we have 5 raised to the power of 1, which is 5 times 1, still 5. Then lastly, 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Now let's add up. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 1875. 30 plus 1875 plus 2. So let's do this together in order to avoid mistake. So this is 30 and this is 2. Here you have 7. This is 0, carry 1, this is 9, and this is 1. So this should give us 1907 in base 10. But we have to convert to base 8. So we have to change 1907 in base 10 to base 8. And how do we convert from base 10 to any other base? We use continuous division. So let's do that here. 1907 divided by 8. So 8 into 19, that should be 2, is 16, the remainder of 3. 8 into 30 is 3, that's 24, with a remainder of 6. 8 into 67 is 8, which is 64, with a remainder of 3. So I have remainder 3. We go again. 8 into 23 is 2, which is 16, with a remainder of 7. 8 into 78 is 9, which is 72, with a remainder of 6. So I can put here remainder 6. We go again. 8 into 29 is 3, that's 24, with a remainder of 5. Now 8 into 3, 0, remainder 3. Like we popularly say, it cannot go. So 8 into 3 is 0, remainder 3. So my answer should be 3563. So I can write here 301125 in base 8 should be equal to 3563 in base 8. So that's that for that. Now let's move on to the second question, which is 867 base 9. 867 base 9. 867 base 9. We are converting to base 5. So this is 0, 1, and 2. We have 8 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 2, plus 6 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 1, plus 7 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 0. 9 raised to the power of 2 is 81. 81 times 8, so let's do that together. 81 multiplied by 8, this is 8, and this is 64. I was about writing 16, so this is 64. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. So this will give us 648 plus 9 raised to the power of 1 is 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 9 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. So we have 648 plus 54 plus 7. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. Put down 9, carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Put down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. So this is 709. So we have 709 in base 10. Now let's convert 709 base 10 to base 5. So we do continuous division. 709 5. 5 into 7, 1, with a remainder of 2. 5 into 24, no remainder. 5 into 9, 1, with a remainder of 4. We go again. 5 into 1 cannot go. 5 into 14 is 2, which is 10 with a remainder of 4. 5 into 41 is 8, with a remainder of 1, because 5 times 8 is 40. Now the next, you have, okay, we'll go again with 5. 5 into 28 is 5, which is 25, with a remainder of 3. I can put remainder 3. Now 5 into 5 is 1, with a remainder of 0. 5 into 1 is 0, with a remainder of 1. So therefore 867 in base 9 is 709 in base 10, and is equal to 10314 in base 5. 10314 in base 5. Then lastly, 34D5 base 16. Let's do that here. 34D5 base 16. So we start with 3. This will be 3 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3. Wow. Raised to the power of 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Good. Then we have plus 4 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of 2. Plus, what is D again? Remember, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 is A, 11 B, this is C, and this is D. So my D is 13, so I'll put 13 here. 13 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of 1. Lastly, 5 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of 0. Now this is where it's going to get a little bit tight. Okay, let's go. 16 multiply, or 16 raised to the power of 3. So that is 16 times 16 times 16. Now our 16 square, that should be 256. But let's confirm. 16 times 16, this is 6 carry 3, this is 96, 6 carry 1, so this is 6, 5, and 2. 256 multiplied by another 16 again. 256 times 16, this is 6 carry 3, 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3, 33 carry 3, 6 times 2, 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So we go again, 1 times 6, 1 times 5, and 1 times 2. So this will give us 6. This is 9, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 2, 4. So this is 4096. So 16 cubed is 4096. We are still not done because we have to multiply by 3. So 4096 multiplied by 3. 3 times 6, 18. Put down 8, carry 1. 3 times 9, 27. Plus 1, 28. Put down 8, carry 2. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2. We have a 2 here. 3 times 4 is 12. So that is 12,288. We have 12,288 plus 16 all squared. We've done that already. That's 256. Now what is 256 multiplied by 4? 4 times 6 is 24. Put down 4, carry 2. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Put down 2, carry 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2, 10. So we have 1024 plus 16 raised to the power of 1 is 16. Then we have 16 times 13. 16, 13, 8, carry 1. this is 4, this is 6, and this is 1. So we have 8, this is 0 carry 1, and this is 2. 208. So let me confirm. Okay, 8 is 48, and this is 16. 8, 0, 2. 208 plus 16 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. So we have 12,288 plus 1,024 plus 208 plus 5. So let's do that here. 1,024, 208, and 5. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 5, 25. Put down 5, carry 2. This is 10, 12. Put down 2, carry 1. This is 3, 5. This is 3, and this is 1. That is 13,525. So we have 13,525 in base 10. Now we still have to convert that back to base 11. We have to convert that back to base 11. So let's create space for that. I can wipe here off. Thirteen five two five to base 11. Now continuous division by 11. So we go 11 into 13 is 1 with a remainder of 2. 11 into 25 is 2. That's 22 with a remainder of 3. 11 into 32, still 2, which is 22 with a remainder of 10. Then 11 into 105. So we have 11 times 9 to be 99. 11 times 10 is 110. So it should be 9. 9 with a remainder of 6. So I'll put a 6 here. So we'll go again. 11. 11 into 12, 1 with a remainder of 1. 11 into 12, 1 with a remainder of 1. 11 into 19, 1 with a remainder of 8. We go again. 11 into 11 is 1. 11 into 1, 0 with a remainder of 1. We go again. 11 into 10, 0, remainder 10. Remember, we can't write 10, so we'll put A. So I can say we read from down to bottom, from down to top, from bottom to top rather. So this will give us A186 in base 11. So this is how you convert from one base to another. So the summary is that you have to convert first to base 10 before going to another base. Now in our next video, we'll be looking at addition and subtraction in other bases. We already know how to add in base 10, but how do you add in base 2? How do you add in base 3? As the case may be. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like if you find it informative. Also subscribe to this channel and share to your friends. Then if there's any mistakes from the calculation, feel free to leave that in the comment section, and if you have any question, feel free to also leave that in the comment section. See you guys in my next video.